Hello guys, Rafa speaking here in Liz. This is Destination4WD Drive and we are in a very special place. Check this out. Finally, we got to see this place, and it really blew out my mind. I've been trying to come here for about 2 years, and finally, we're here. Wallaman Falls is the highest permanent single drop waterfall in Australia, and it is about 51 kilometers from Ingham, North Queensland, and you can get here in 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive. The campsites are average, with some of the facilities working well and some of the others unavailable. Our journey starts here on a campsite where we decide to do the first walking track, which is 800 meters return. The rock pools, or the Bangaroo, which is the name in Aboriginal language, means turtle, and I reckon it's good to do. Wow.
Mm-hmm. Really beautiful. And look at how cool the trees are. So we are on our way to the rock pools. It's about an 800 metre circuit that you do from the Wallaman Falls Camp Area. And there's some pretty cool things that we've seen so far. Some what they call stranglers. They're a fig that strangles another tree and they look pretty impressive, and big massive basket ferns and some bird's nest ferns. So it's pretty cool. It's a nice little walk. It's not hard, it's very easy and lots to see. Wow.
The fast-flowing rapid make the scenery completely different and beautiful and enjoyable. You can sit here and watch everything around for hours. And when I say hours, honestly, it's a lot of time. I tell you this is beautiful. If you haven't come here, or you haven't came here, it's worth it. It's worth it. Wow. Not far from the campsite is the Wallaman Falls, so we better get there early. Oh, this is the road to Raving.
Oh yeah.
It's not far away.
No.
Literally, what? 200?
Wallaman Falls Lookout. Oh, I don't know.
Or 200 meters, isn't it?
Maybe.
That's good. Ooh, we have arrived. Let's see the biggest waterfall in Australia, mate. Turn off this. Turn off this. Let's jump out of the car. As I said before, it is 270 meters single drop of water, creating a 20 meters deep pool on its bottom, surrounded by an amazing rainbow all around. The view from the lookout is spectacular. Wallaman Falls connect further downstream to the Harbour River. And there is a great walk, which is about 100 kilometers long. Oh no. Well, I don't know you, I'm prepared. I think so. I always say the same and I just bug it before I finish.
You what?
Bug it?
Buggered?
Yeah.
What, you always feel like good and then at the end you're like,
Exactly. Hello.
thanks. What do we have in our bag? Food.
Sugar.
Sugar? What about like fruit? Fruit?
Yeah.
That's easy. Okay, that's alright.
Ah, I got chocolate.
Chocolate better, yeah.
Yeah.
In the front or the back?
The front, yeah.
Yeah.
So that couple, an Asian couple, or just a couple, the woman was feeling dizzy
Yeah.
and
Low blood sugar.
low blood sugar. So remember this: take water, sugar, like chocolate or something like that, fruit, and keep your energy up. The hike down to the bottom is a little rough, but I'd rather that than the hiking up. Tell you, the hiking up was a killer. And make sure to be prepared with food and water. And keep your eyes open so you don't miss anything.
What is it?
That's another one there.
What is it?
A few lizards. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Massive. It's been a chilly morning today and a beautiful place, to be honest. The Wallaman Falls just, tick all my expectations. 269 meters of water just dropping to the emptiness. I don't know how you call that, but just dropping to the bottom of the fall. It was incredible. That reminds me, actually, the Angel Falls in Venezuela, the country I was born and lived for 35 years. It's amazing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, this beautiful part of the country, and for sure you have to write this on your bucket list. The Wallaman Falls, the biggest or one of the biggest waterfall in Australia. They are in Queensland. Ingham is the place that you will find them. If you like the videos, of course, you just press that button here, wherever you find it. And see you later. I seen the diversity. The diversity? Diversity? That's a word? Diversity. Diversity of creatures and life that you can find in the rainforest.
Yeah. I knew you were gonna do that. It's quite a journey up there. I think we've still got 1.5 kilometers to go out of 2.
Go to the Wallaman Falls, they say. It's gonna be amazing. The biggest waterfall in Australia. Huh? It's the biggest.
It's very steep decline and it's the biggest steep
climb for sure.